Hey there, it's Brittany. It's one of my favorite days of the month, and it is Sam's Bead Box Day. So this one's called Voyage to Athens. It says, travel back in time with us to ancient Greece. Imagine, after 3 days at sea, on Greece's teal and turquoise waters, you step onto shore and take in the sparkling sands of Athens coastline. The marketplace is quiet today, as many are traveling north for the Olympic Games, eager to see who will win honor and be crowned with a wreath of olive branches. After enjoying a warm meal, you stop to pick up a gift at the booth of your favorite jeweler. You can't help but marvel at the intricate gold work. Our July box transports us to the Athenian coast, Aquaterra Jasper. This is funny, like it's just so funny that 2 boxes in a row have Aquaterra Jasper. Amazonite and aqua quartz remind us of the many tones of the Mediterranean, beautifully accented by sparkling sunstone. The anchor honors nautical innovation, while glistening gold melons, ooh, I love those, and carved by cones represent the architectural hallmarks of Greek civilization. Our metal selections are made in Greece, a nod to over 2,000 years of Greek metalsmithing artistry. We hope you're inspired to share what you make with us in our group. So they also include a list of ingredients and a retail value, and then approximate retail value of each item. Sam uses all recycled packaging. If you're interested in subscribing, you can save $5 off your first box by using coupon code Turquoise at the link in the description of this video. Now this is a gorgeous pack of beads. This is my favorite colors. Love it, love it, love it. This is almost, oh my gosh, I might like this more than my box earlier this year, but I hesitate to say that because this is such a gorgeous color scheme. Okay. Oh, look at these big nugs. Okay. Amazonite, smooth, freeform nugget focal. Size varies, 6 mixed pieces. These are huge chonky monkeys. We love that. I want to make a big chonky necklace with it. Just heads up, I'm not doing a tutorial in most of my unboxings right now, just because the time that I have is so limited, and when I do that, it takes so long and I never end up getting videos out. Antique brass collection, made in Greece, lead-free, laurel wreath crown pendant, 29 by 31 millimeter, Greek sun charm, 14 and a half by 18 millimeter 2-piece set. Let's see. Oh, these are gorgeous. Gosh, look how pretty this is. It's so gorgeous. And then look at these little suns. I love these. These make me happy. I love that they're not like straight on gold. That's really cool. Czech glass marquise or Czech glass marquise oval aqua gold 9 by 20 millimeter 6-piece set. Gorgeous. I love this shape. I don't actually know if I've actually used this shape. I know I have them in several colors, but I really, really love this color. Absolutely beautiful. What is this? Oh, aqua quartz glass focal. So it's glass. They call it quartz, but it's actually glass. Shape varies. 1 piece. Occasional imperfections. It's pretty. It definitely looks like it belongs in water. Like it's a little gem that came from the ocean. Oh, teeny tinies. Czech glass Druck round rustic white silk 3 millimeter. 5.7 grams, about 160 pieces. I'm not going to open this because I know I'll dump them everywhere, but they're just little white round beads or creamy round beads. Ooh, some buttons. Czech glass table cut 2-hole carved button, turquoise Picasso 14 millimeter 2-piece set. I love this box. I love this box. Okay, so this is my second favorite box this year. my box was my favorite, but this one's a close second. Great job. Braided rope oval turquoise and amber mix gold 9 by 17 and a half millimeter 2-piece set. Oh, I didn't even see the amber one in there. That's pretty fun. This is a really cute design. And then for loose beads, this looks like this is the last one. Czech glass anchor coin color berries 22 millimeter. So it looks like I got like a Picasso with a blue wash. Very cool. Nice big bead. And then we have the strands. I'm thinking this is the Czech glass carved ruin aqua gold 5 by 14 and a half millimeter 6-piece strand. These are so fun. Very Greek looking. These are gorgeous. I really, really love those. These go really well with those because it's the same color palette. Saucer Matte Aqua 4mm 65 piece strand. These are great spacers. Love using these as spacers. So Czech Glass Saturn Aqua Picasso 6x8mm 14 piece strand. Love these. These Saturn beads are some of my favorite shape. I don't know, this box is so yummy. Czech Glass Fire Polish Round Aqua 5mm 25 piece strand. Love those. Czech Glass Druck Round Etched Turquoise Copper 6mm 22 piece strand. So I didn't realize that there was actually some turquoise on these because it's very heavily copper. These are gorgeous. I stinking love them so much. This box is so pretty. Peruvian Amazonite and Moonstone Nugget Slice 11 to 13mm 8 piece strand. These are fantastic. I think this would just make a really gorgeous bracelet paired with these. This is really pretty. Sunstone Freeform Nugget 7 to 11mm 7.5 inch strand. These are beautiful. I love Sunstone. Look how sparkly those are. So yummy. Oh, this is like the best color palette ever. Czech Glass Carved Bicone Teal Gold 10 by 11mm 12 piece strand. These are beautiful. Oh, they're so pretty. These strands are like really gorgeous this month. Czech Glass Dagger Matte Teal Coating and Size Varies 25 piece strand. These are so pretty. They're so like ethereal. They look like old glass. They look, oh gosh, why can't I think of the word right now? I'll put it on the screen. I don't know why I'm having brain fog at the moment, but these look like that old glass that was dug up from the earth and turned into beads. So beautiful. Starburst Square Crystal Gold AB 11mm 8 piece strand. These are so pretty too. That AB, that gold, that clear, like it's like they went into my brain and just pulled out all the beads that I really wanted to go together. Aquaterra Jasper, which is serpentine squares, 6 to 6.5mm 5 inch strand. These are fun. Some of them are a little not completely square, but that's okay. They're rustic. I love them. These actually will go with some Aquaterra Jasper we got in a different box this month. Grade B Amazonite Smooth Round mixed, and these are 8.5mm. So these are nice though. They look good with the rest of this. And again, this is supposed to be ancient Athens, so it's good to be rustic. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. I can't stand it. Czech Glass Petal Leaf Stone Picasso 12 by 14.5mm 8 piece strand. These are really pretty too. English Cut Crystal Gold AB 3.5mm 50 piece strand. These are awesome. These are so pretty. Such a beautiful spacer. Last but not least, Czech Glass Melon Crystal Gold AB 8mm 15 piece strand. These are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you what my favorite is. Like, I would say absolutely these are just stunning to me. I really like those. Really loved this little mix. I really want to make a necklace and a bracelet. I really loved these and these. So those are my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faves. But gosh, this box was so cohesive, so gorgeous. Just love it so much. I really want to make like 3 necklaces and a bracelet. But thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. And if you want to save $5 off your first box from Sam's Bead Box, which I think you should sign up because this box is just absolutely amazing. Use coupon code Turquoise at the affiliate link in the description and it helps my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Hi. Goldie, can you say hi, Mommy? Goldie. Hi, cutie. Did I wake you up? No, because you just jumped up here and started ignoring me. Hi. Say hello, everybody. Hi, Goldie.